One of the most critical business challenges enterprises face today is figuring out how to deliver software faster without breaking everything in the process. Faster software delivery can be achieved by harnessing the power of automation, continuous delivery, and by doing rigorous automated testing of software. Test automation is supposed to be a game changer. But due to harsh reality of Agile and DevOps, where changes to automated scripts are made rapidly and frequently, creation of self-healing test automation that can find elements across all environments faster is becoming a key requirement. Today, multiple test automation tools claim to have self-healing capability. However, finding the right tool is a nightmare. Wonder why? Because all such tools have limitations in their approach, as they use object properties for self-healing. This use of object properties severely limits their capability, as self-healing cannot be applied when all attributes and properties of an object change. Self-healing cannot be applied if the attributes and properties are the same for similar types of objects. Probability to automate defect is high if visual reference is self-healed. A generic pattern is not used to identify similar type of object across different technologies or OS. Hence, for each individual application, such tools need to store all attributes and properties of used objects and requires live application or mockup to be navigated for each flow. Thus, it imposes limitations in DevOps or continuous testing. How do we overcome these limitations? Do you think some kind of magic needs to happen? You are right. Our AI-driven enterprise test automation platform works like magic, presenting TestMagic's Auto-Heal capability. In this video, I will show you how TestMagic's Auto-Heal capability, an AI-driven approach to overcome self-healing limitations, will fascinate you. Let us consider 3 scenarios using LinkedIn and Facebook to demonstrate TestMagic's Auto-Heal capability. In Scenario 1, we will show you how same test automation works on both applications, though the applications are using different objects, properties, hierarchies, and technologies but have same visual references. A single test automation created for email or phone and password will get auto-healed and work on both LinkedIn and Facebook. In Scenario 2, we will deal with change in visual reference by changing sign in to sing in. This is a change in meaning to end user, and thus, TestMagic will fail and identify this as an error, while in other solutions claiming to have a self-healing feature, the test case will pass. In Scenario 3, let us change visual reference by removing space between sign and in, without changing the meaning to end user. In this case, TestMagic will pass the test step. TestMagic is intelligent enough to pass sign-in, but not sing-in. Is this not cool? After all, we all agree that testing is all about expected visual information or behaviors versus actual visual information or behaviors. Where other tools use all attributes and properties of an object, TestMagic works on visual references and at runtime identifies objects based on artificial intelligence-based pattern algorithms derived from machine learning and deep learning processes. This means code change, flow change, position change, technology change, or even OS change will have absolutely zero impact on the test automation created using TestMagic. Finally, self-healing limitations imposed by other tools get addressed by TestMagic's Auto-Heal capability.